Defects in welding can be both external and internal. External defects are undercut, cracks, blowhole and porosity, slag inclusions, excessive reinforcement, excessive convexity, excessive concavity, incomplete root penetration, spatter, edge melted off, oversized weld, insufficient fill, lack of penetration, excessive root penetration, overlap, mismatch, uneven, irregular bead appearance, insufficient throat thickness. Internal defects are cracks, blowhole and porosity, slag inclusions, lack of fusion, lack of root penetration, internal stresses or locked-up stresses. There are three types of distortions that appear in welds. They are longitudinal distortion, transverse distortion, and angular distortion. The most common distortion removal technique is to use a flame. In pipe needle heating, heat is applied along two short lines crossing each other. In checkerboard cross directions heating, heat is applied along a pair of two lines crossing each other. In spot heating, heat is applied on a number of spots. In triangular heating, heat is applied on a wedge-shaped area. Red hot heating is used when severe distortion has occurred in a localized area. To obtain a dependable joint, it is necessary to inspect and exercise adequate control before, during, and after welding.
Welds are tested by non-destructive testing, semi-destructive testing, and destructive testing. In the case of non-destructive testing, tests are done without destroying the job using dye-penetrant method, magnetic particle method, X-ray method, and ultrasonic method. Semi-destructive test, drilling, etching, filing are some of the testing that can be done. In such cases, the job can be reused by reworking. In destructive testing, welded job can be cut, bent, or destroyed to check the weld quality and strength of joint.
Now you have learned what arc welding means, the preparations for arc welding, the equipments needed for arc welding, safety measures, basic welding methods, various types of arc welding, defects that appear in welding, and how to test and rectify them. By learning these lessons properly, you will become a good welder.
A good welder will have excellent control of movement over the electrode and its arc. He would be able to deposit weld in a neat layer without ripples or imperfections. Good hand and eye coordination will be the mark. Eye and hand coordination alone will provide for good results. On practicing good hand control and proper arcing, you will be able to weld close to the drawing requirements.